Hi everyone, I'm Rashmi, social media manager at Core, and today I have Cobus with me. So, Cobus, we are going to talk about agentic workflows. So, agentic workflows in general has been getting a lot of attention. It almost feel like the conversation has largely shifted from individual agents to now focusing on how these agents actually come and work together. Why do you think that is happening?
Yeah, that's an interesting question, Rashmi. I think a big part of that is people want to decompose the whole process from a single monolith agent to what they call now an agentic workflow. It's just easier to manage and easier to build and adapt to working flows. So you'll see many of the large model providers are actually focusing now on agentic workflows, and Core has also got a very astute agentic workflow builder.
That makes sense, Cobus, because once agents start entering the real workflows, coordination starts to matter as much as intelligence. And now I would love to make this a little more tangible. Cobus, do you think you can walk us through a practical example of how all this comes together in Core AI Agent Builder?
Yes, I've got a practical example here. I'm within the Kore.ai build environment now, and you can see that I can build workflows with different elements, models, prompts, and data. I've got different properties here, API keys, guardrails, configuration. If I go to the actual flow, you will see that this is a flow for someone to request leave. So we verify the employee. We've got an API call going here. We can validate if the employee is eligible for leave or not. And this workflow can then be exposed as an API, or it can be a node, an agent node within an agentic workflow. And just lastly, you will see there's a whole host of nodes at the bottom. And I can have a single node where I call a large language model as well.
Thanks for this walkthrough, Cobus. This really highlights a super important shift that Agentic AI isn't about just building super smart models or agents. It's also about redesigning workflows that really holds up when we are marching towards production. So thanks for this walkthrough, and I will chat with you soon.
Great. Thanks, Rashmi.